Hello, welcome back. I'm just going to give you a quick bit of information of where I've run the wires from this Aoocci unit. So basically you can see there all the wires come out of the back. They're all sealed. You can't do anything about that. They come out of there and then you run them as and where you want. So the first one is down there. You can see the yellow connector. That's the one that goes to the camera, and then there is another connector that goes to the remote control. So that just comes out through here, winds up down there, and then comes back nice and neat back into there. The other wires, which is the power and the rear camera, they go down between the two forks. You can just see the wire down there. Okay, so that's the wires. They go over to this side, and then if I just move that out of the way, you can see where the wires come into there. So that's the other side of handlebars. It comes in there, goes under this cover. That's all that is, just to keep it neat. And then they go down here and underneath here. So I didn't need to take all this off. All I took off was this panel. The wires then are fed through there. This panel comes off, you can see under here, and they come out here. So the two wires are actually connected up here. If you can see up there, they go through there. There's the wires through there, under the seat, and to the battery. So one goes under the seat to the battery, the other one carries on around here under this seat, comes out here, if you can see, to the rear camera. I don't intend going through how I connected it all. If you look at one of the other videos that I've previously done, you'll see how we connect the Thunderbox and how I've ended up connecting the white wire, which gives us the chance to turn this machine on, the Aoocci, turn that on without actually having the engine running. So that's it. The next step is we'll have a look at the unit itself and show you how we've ended up getting that all set up, ready to go. So from me and Michael there coming down off the mountain, we'll speak to you again soon.